Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue, and I am joining in with Irene, Cynthia, and Jenny. And they are the hostesses of the Boy Doll Challenge, and this month is back to school. This is Adam, and he is in his Stain Stop top. I'm going to show you that in a minute. But he's got his little gamer backpack heading back to school. It's empty because he's ready to go get his books. And he's taken his harmonica. He carries his harmonica about everywhere he goes. I want to show you a stain stopper. I'm working on a pattern. This is that Walmart fabric. It was in the, oh gosh, 2 yards for $4 bundle. I do wish I had done it the collar a little tighter, but I like this. I don't add, I only fold this over once. I do a zigzag stitch inside. I don't add Velcro or snaps or anything. It's just folded under their clothes to keep them safe from stains. Why is he wearing that back to school? Because most of the outfits that your dolls will be having to go back to school could stain them. He's a cinnamon and he's that soft vinyl. So I worry about him and stains. And I know if you have smart dolls, especially in milk and cinnamon, you're worried about that too. I'm going to leave the hostess ladies' names, I hope in my title if it all fits, but in my description for sure. Go by and see their videos today. And hey, if you have a boy doll challenge video today, would you let me know in the comments? I'd like to see yours too. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel and all the other doll channels today. Leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.
He's looking really good.
I love him.